Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can join a specific crew in NBA 2K26. So if there's a crew you really want to be part of, here's how you can make that happen. If you already know someone who's in that crew, the easiest way is to just have them invite you. Make sure you are friends with them first. You can press L1 and R1 to open your friends list. Then they can simply select your name and send you an invite to their crew. Once they send the invite, go to options, then crew invitations, and you'll be able to accept it from there. Just make sure your invitations are turned on so you don't miss it. Now if you don't personally know someone in that crew but you know the name of it or the leader, you can try to add the crew leader as a friend. Press L1 and R1, search for their profile and send them a friend request. You can also try connecting with other members of that crew. Sometimes that can get you in more easily. If you still can't find them directly, you can try matching your crew settings to theirs, like the name style, logo or customization, and keep searching through the crew list. It might take a few tries, but you can eventually get matched with that crew or find a similar one, and that's pretty much how you can join a specific crew in NBA 2K26, either through a direct invite, by adding crew members as friends, or by searching and matching settings. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.